Hello guys, so today on 24th of April, we would have got your FMS results. So this is the video to give some information about how much waitlist movement you can expect. And these things are very dependent on other factors also. So if you know that Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta results are still awaited, though Bangalore has released their result, but we don't know what will be the common pool. And other common pools among Ahmedabad, Calcutta, and Lucknow will going to play a very crucial role in this. So if we go by the previous year's data, then we can figure out that up to which waitlist movement we can expect the admission to the FMS. So here are the category-wise candidates who had filled the admission form. So this is the data for the last year, not for this year. This video is going to be helpful for the people who are going to appear for CAT this year also. So they will know that what will be the level of competition in the FMS. Previously, FMS used to be close their forms even before their CAT exams to be written. So you should know that how much you are scoring in your marks, then you should fill the form or not. Because I have seen many people who score very well in their marks, still they feel that I'm not going to score this percentile according to their according to their category, and they miss up the FMS. So in case FMS is going to close their forms before the CAT this year in CAT 2022, then you should also have a look at the FMS form and apply accordingly. So we can see that almost 4,500 people have applied in the general category, and in EVS we have 475, and NCOBC is 1,300 forms we have seen. So total candidates who were shortlisted for general, so 707 were shortlisted in the general category, 175 were shortlisted in EWS. In NCOBC, 483 was shortlisted out of those who had filled the forms. In SC category, they have shortlisted 259. In ST, 133 was shortlisted. So this was the composite score. So every year this becomes very crucial. So we know that how to compute, how to calculate the composite score for shortlisting. So in this video, I'm not going to cover that because this video is more focused at how much waitlist movement we can expect in FMS in 2022. So you can refer to the website and just know that how to calculate the composite score, so that you'll know by the end of March or by 10th of April that I'm going to get the call or not. As you know that this year in CAT 2022, they have started their interviews on on Monday, and on next Sunday, like today on Sunday, they have released their final list also. So you are not going to get much time of preparation when there is listed out. People always think that this will be same as any other interview, but yes, you need FMS specific preparation, and we help in that also. So we have conducted a lot of FMS specific interview this year also. So almost 2 to 3 FMS specific interview was there. So who has enrolled with us. So this was the final composite score, like 66.549 was the last person who got into the FMS last year. EWS was 60.432. NCOBC was 58.153, SC was 55.367, and ST was 47.327. So into all the categories, total number of students offer final admissions. So in general, 325 people were offered the admission from the general list. In EWS, 68 people were offered admission. In NCOBC, 231 was offered the admission. In SC, 87 students, and in ST category at 54 candidates were offered admission. So for the information of everyone, so general has 101 seats in FMS. In OBC, we have 71 seats in In SC, we have 37 seats. In ST category, we have 19 seats in FMS. And EWS category, economical weakest category, we have 20 to 25 candidates. So these are the major, like, most awaited figures for this year. So if we see in the first candidates, 101 candidates got direct entry to the FMS, and total 400 people got waitlisted this year. In EWS category, 25 got into first list, 125 people were shortlisted. In NCOBC, 71 got into first list and 312 are waitlisted. In SC category, 37 got into first list and 163 candidates are shortlisted. In ST, 19 got into first list and 72 were shortlisted. So these are just the expected movement that we are keeping seeing the last year numbers. So suppose your wait list is up to 250, so you have like high hopes. I'm not saying that this is the like correct number, or till this only wait list can move. It can go to up to plus minus 10% also, which means like 225 or up to 275 list can move in general category. Same like EWS category, up to 50 it can move. So for if you are waitlisted between 45 to 55, you can expect a like final admit to the FMS. In NCOBC, same thing. If you are waitlisted somewhere between 140 to 180, you can expect a final admit in FMS. Then SC category, if you are waitlisted between 50 to 60, you can expect a final call or final admit in the FMS. In same as in ST also, if you are waitlisted between 30 to 40, you can expect a final admit to the FMS. So these are just the indicative numbers. I'm not claiming that these are like correct numbers, or we are just predicting that this can be true. Seeing the last year trend, this can go like for general category, it can go to 350 also, and it can just stop at 200 also. So don't go by these figures only. So I already told about the various other factors like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, and Lucknow. These are the 4 colleges because of which FMS moves. So if we get the common pool of candidate and people who got their into the first list, or they are waitlisted up like till 250, so they can, if they are going to join ABC or L, they are going, then your chances are going to be high. So this is the class composition of 2021 and 23. So in general category, only 90 people have joined, so almost 10 seats were vacant, or maybe we can say that 25 seats are from EWS category, still 33 people are studying in that. So it means that maybe general category seats are taken by EWS because their composite score was more compared to the general category. So these are the numbers for this year class. So if you have any doubts, you can directly connect with us. If you have any queries about what will be the waitlist movement, and if in case you have converted ABC and FMS, all 4 colleges, so you should connect to your mentor or to us to which college to join, because every person has their different aspirations and you should accordingly choose your college. So thank you. Thanks from my side. For any queries, you can contact us anytime. Thanks.